Let's put the sheet there. And Tristan bed.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Guys, look at outside. It is pouring. It is pouring. Like, man, I don't know if you can see that. That's ridiculous. Welcome back to another video. Like, I know I'm looking crazy and stuff. Wasn't planning to start vlogging like this. My going to clean. But I just dropped off the kids at school and stopped by Target to pick up something. I saw that they're coming and it's raining outside, so wait 1 minute. Guys, just look how wet the bag is. Oh my god. It's crazy. Look at that. As I was saying, wasn't planning on recording like this or start vlogging like this, but I've done worse, right? Guys, today I guess there is a thunderstorm out. Can't remember what's your name. It's always a she for some reason. Why are we so terrible? But like, today's half day school for the kids, and if I knew that this was gonna be so ridiculous, like, they would have just stay home. Guys, when I was driving them to school, it was so, I couldn't see anything on the road. Like, me literally I pray, say, please God, just guide me. I can't see nothing. I have to turn on my high beam light and just take my time crawling at 20 miles per hour to actually go through. It was pouring. It was white, and then the roads are so full of water, overflowing with water. Like, hydroplane is just, they're bound for happen. And then I thought about I'm coming up to Target, like, my God, please, up that mountain, please. But I just had to show you that. Anyways, we just get my package from Target, or my thingy-majig from Target. So I am going to go home, get some food, and then you're going to stay into the kids. We're going to clean. We have to clean and complete some laundry. And then again, as I said before, it's half day school for the kids, so I'll be back in this rain. It's going to rain all the way until 5 p.m. It started this morning at around 6 a.m. But it wasn't pouring this much. But as throughout the day, it's supposed to get a little bit less. But like right now, it actually even not as bad as when I was actually driving through it this morning or earlier. Like couple, I want to say like maybe the last 15-20 minutes ago. It kind of eased down. It eased up a little bit. But Lord, like, anyways, we're going home. Let's go home. Can you see that car over there? See how far the tire is versus where the water is? Can you see it? Look at that. It's almost halfway. You see where the bumper is compared to where the water is? Yeah. That's how bad it is. Look. That's how bad it is. Yeah. So let's pray for me. I'll go home. So, see you when I get home. Guys, see over this now? Look there. That's what I'm going in right now. I'm taking left and going right into that. Go over there, sir.
Denise Williams.
Gotcha. Yeah. That's what's going on right here now.
To think that I could ever have you for my love. Stop making a fool of me.
Alright guys, I made a detour. I'm here at the gas station because I just realized that my gas tank is empty. It's almost empty. So we're gonna get some gas. Almost at E, like that's not acceptable. So yeah. So we're gonna get some gas right now. So guys, I'm home. My what's up? Let me tell you something. It's still pouring outside, like ridiculous. Like we just got an emergency alert that came out that we need to be careful because there's a flood watch alert that's out. So it's crazy. Sorry, my son couldn't go to school because we have to go back in the next 4 hours. So anyways, let me tell you something. Let me tell you why I don't like, no, I'm not going to say I don't like it. But one of the downside or the disadvantage of having a push button car, a push button starter car. Because you see a while ago, I opened the garage and I parked so close to it, so I'm just like running out, like I'm not using no umbrella or anything, just I run out, right? And restricted the garage. So I'm inside, I'm not getting wet. Only to realize when I stand in the garage, I'm like, why is the car not turning off? It's still like, you know, I get that beep 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 sound, like it's not closing, like what's going on? The car is still on. The car on, still I run engine and everything still on. So girl, I have to run back in the rain, to turn off the car, to come back out again. Waste of time. So now I'm wet up. Yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna go look about some breakfast. I think I'm gonna do some an omelette. Just something really quick and easy. Sit down for like 5 minutes. And then I'm going to start cleaning. No, it's not going to be any deep clean situation. It's just running through the house, because one thing I realized is that when you remodel house or just clean up house or deep cleaning house in general, right? The problem is always maintaining that clean, especially when you have kids and you're busy, you're not just being home, you have work and a 9 to 5 in general, right? So like the house just take time and go right back to where it's coming from. So it's not, as I said before, not deep cleaning, but I just be doing like straightening up and changing the sheets off the beds today and doing some laundry. And then tomorrow I'll be washing the bathrooms and stuff like that. So that's basically what I'll be doing. And of course, I have to cook. And I have a video that I edited yesterday that I have to post today. I want to post that today because I'm just falling back behind. I thought about it yesterday and I'm like, you know what? Initially, when I started this channel, I did say that I'm going to be giving you videos every Sunday, and I would not miss. And that just went right down the hill. So I'm going to try to go back to that one Sunday weekly video and see if I can be consistent on that, because I feel like that was good. It's just that because I started working on weekends, it kind of just harder. But I'm going to try and see how much I can keep that promise. You know, and if you do get like an extra video in the week, it's because I have a little bit more time and maybe it's like it's shorter and easier to edit. But editing, guys, it takes a lot, especially it depends on what the content is all about. But yeah, I'm going to try and do that. But right now, let me go look for some food and then we go start cleaning together, okay? Yeah. All right. See you in the next clip. Guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I have not yet started cleaning or anything yet. For some reason, I don't know. Me woke up on this YouTube channel, and when I tell you, say I get hooked. I got hooked that I burnt my breakfast, well, almost burnt it. I watched it while eating my breakfast, and then I'm gonna finally get up and say I'm gonna actually start cleaning up. I don't know if you see anything like me. When I put up stuff, I put it up so good that I can't find it when I need it, right? So I was looking for this. I left it inside. I was looking for this. I'll show you on the screen. It's a remote control, like a holder. Like you can actually just, it's like has like this magnet or this tape on the back. You put it on the wall, and then you put the other piece on the remote, so you kind of just store it on the wall, right? I bought a pack with 3, and I couldn't find it. When I tell you, I did got the whole house a while ago. The whole house a while ago and could not find the thing. And the last time I say, no, I'm going to check here. So one more time. That time, Tristan texted me and told me that, Mommy, I'm leaving school now. I'm going to check in at the place one more time. And I went into the bathroom closet. I'm something staring at my face the whole time. So I took almost an hour and a half searching for this one pack. Because I started searching for something else, and I remember that I needed that, and then, you know, I don't know how it go. When I started for one thing, then I buck up and started something else, and then something else, and then something else. So I haven't started doing anything yet. So right now it is, what time is it? It is actually some minutes to 1. I don't have my watch, and this is in a reverse mode. It's now 12:58 to be exact, so 2 minutes to 1. And I'm heading out now to go grab the kids. When I get back, I'm just gonna give them something to eat real quick, and then just start cleaning up, and then cook something. I think I don't know anything too fancy today. Plus when they have food from yesterday, so I might just warm that up. So let's see how it goes. But the vlog not done it. The vlog not done it. We're still clean. Alright. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm going to get the kids now, so when I come back, I will hold on. But just pass them people this morning now. Them people your son run. They put them one tell them say don't tell the people them, you know, cause of them having a them they are fighting right now, you know. Them are install them the solar panel on their house. And this big old sunrun company over there. Teeth, criminal them. I know I'm stuck with them. I'm one telling them, say, no, don't do it, you know, big mistake, don't do it, but hey. But they're feeling for themselves still. Anyways, now I'll get me putting them and I will see you when I get back. Okay.
myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening?
So guys, I did it again. I'm finished with the basement. I'm now inside TJ's room. And I came in here about to start, and I wanted to start with his bed, right? So, because he has the blue curtain up, and I don't want to change the curtains. I'm not changing the curtains because it's not like a big clean up, right? It's just straightening up. When I changed his bed, I wanted to keep the sheets matching the curtains. So he has another set of blue sheets. So I'm like trying to find the sheets. I went through all this stuff. Can't find the sheets. Now the problem is, and I spent like another 30 minutes. I have like a little storage area in the basement that I keep my sheets and curtains and all that good stuff well organized. I went through that. I went in my other son's Tristan's room because they have the same size bed. They have queen beds. So I sometimes kind of use up the sheets depending on the on what I'm going for. So I went into Tristan's set to just make sure that it's not in there. Wasn't in there, not in TJ's stuff, not in the basement. So I'm like, where could this be? Let's put the sheet there. And Tristan bed. So another 30 minutes just to waste. Right now it's almost 4:30. I'm tired. Not necessarily because of the cleaning, but just searching for stuff for me just put up too much and can't find. So I really wanted to just finish cleaning up and then tomorrow doing the bathroom. But right now, I don't know how that's gonna work because I haven't started cooking yet. And as I said before, it's almost 4:30. I grabbed the kids around after 1. So I've been here 2 hours cleaning up and trying to find sheets. So anywho, I've come to the resolution that I'm going to wash these sheets. I'm going to just put them in the machine. I'm not going to put on the comforter anymore because the place is hot. I need no comforter at this point. I'm going to put on a regular fitted sheet and the spread. He does have an extra set of the pillows because the pillowcases because it does come with a set of 4 and he has only 2 pillows. So I am going to just throw these into the machine, see what I can do in terms of washing this quickly and clean up his room because it's not a lot. As I said before, I'm not doing a deep clean. And see where 5 o'clock reach me. If at 5 o'clock I'm not done with down here or whichever part I reach, wherever it reach, it's going to cut off, it's going to stop. Okay? So this may turn into, you know what? Let's see where it reach. I'm not going to say it's going to turn into a two-day vlog because it might not. So let's see. But I can't tell the people, I'm tired. Me is very tired. So I'm actually use this opportunity talking to you and using it as a 5-minute sit down for just catch my breath. Yeah, I don't know why I keep doing that. Picking up stuff so neatly. and then I can't remember where I put it. I think it's old age. I'm getting old. But anyhow, let's go watch these sheets and see where I can reach. Time is going.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights.
Alright guys, so it's now 5:30 on the dot. And I wanted to finish by 5 o'clock. However, I finished with TJ's room except for the sheets. They're finished washing, but I had thrown something into the dryer that's still drying. It has 30 minutes left. So I can't put the sheets on the bed yet. So apart from that, TJ room done. Even though it's 5:30, I think I'm just gonna, because I'm in the pantry laundry area. So I feel like I can actually just, it's not much cleaning, just sweep and mop out this room, just straighten up a little bit. And I should be done before 6 o'clock. After that, I am really gonna call it quits because I'm tired, alright? And so it is definitely gonna turn into a 2-day vlog. So tomorrow you will definitely see me finishing the upstairs, because once I finish this and clean the steps or sweep the steps, I'm actually gonna be in the living room, kitchen, dining area, right? I'm gonna clean the kitchen tonight, but I'm not gonna record it. Let me tell you guys, content creating is a lot of work. What I would actually do in 2 hours took me like 5 hours, okay? It's because you got a moving camera, you're gonna try and get some angles, trying to make it boring and stuff like that, and make sure it's a lot, okay? So when you're regular set up a place and it might take even half an hour, 1 hour, depends on what you're doing. Content creating gonna double that or triple that, depending on how detailed you wanna be. So trust me, I could have been done faster, right? But unfortunately, I'm not, because I'm doing this and I'm doing this for us, right? First of all, thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. Welcome to KeneishaSays, and I hope you're enjoying. Go back and watch some previous videos so you can actually get familiarized and you can know my personality and don't get offended when I say certain things, because I'm going to keep it real. And thank you guys for the original OGs coming back. I appreciate you guys as well. Continue to share and subscribe. Continue to share and like the video. Comment, please, and thank you. And have other people subscribe as much as possible. So I appreciate that. Thank you so much. But yeah, I'm gonna jump right into cleaning up down here. Again, done in hopefully next half an hour, and then I'm gonna go upstairs. I don't think I'm gonna be cooking right now, but I am gonna clean up the kitchen. TJ Tristan just made some mac and cheese for himself and Tivania, so that is dinner. Then I'll go figure out something. Troy, I'm not sure to come from work and I'm not hungry, but he's not a fussy person. So we do have like food and stuff that is in the fridge. So we can't figure out. I'm not calling it to them. So we can't figure out something. We can look up something real quick. So tomorrow we can jump in and finish cleaning up the upstairs, which is gonna have the living room level, and you're gonna have the bedroom levels. So yeah, let me just stop talking and just jump in at this, no? Okay guys, my battery's about to die. I'm almost done, so I'll talk to you tomorrow. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I literally just dropped off the kids. I'm still in school in the parking lot. I'm heading to Walmart because yesterday when I was making TJ's bed, I realized that his pillows are a hot mess. So I went and purchased 2 pillows and some more Febreze plugins. So I'm going to pick up those now and I'm going to go home and start cleaning immediately. Alright, so I'll see you when I get there. Alright guys, so I've been back for a minute. I have gone ahead and, I didn't show you this, but I've gone ahead and take out the stuff that I had in the dryer. Fold those up, made TJ's bed, put some more clothes to wash, some more to dry. I have made a couple TikToks, made a couple postings, had something to eat. So I came back and I've been doing a bunch of stuff, but I know that if I had to cut the camera, it would have taken me a longer time to do it. And it's now 12 o'clock on the dot, and I know I have to go grab the kids in another hour. When I come home, everything about food, and tomorrow is work, so I wanted to get this fast. So I'm gonna catch up right now. I'm jumping into the kitchen to clean that up. Then I'm gonna go into the dining room and then the living room, and then we're gonna go upstairs to the rest of the bedroom. So let's see how quickly we can do that before it's time to go grab the kids. Okay, so let's do this thing.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Alright guys, so Tristan just texted me that he's at the stop right before his, that they're leaving there right now. So I have to stop everything. I just finished the kitchen, so that's not bad. And I just took out some shrimp to actually start tying out until I get back. Put this up first. Yeah, look a bit dark, but suit me. So let's go around, we'll get them right now. And when I grab them and come back, and yeah, let me just run and grab them and then come back and see how much more I can actually clean up. I definitely need to get to the rooms today because the sheets still need to be changed. So kitchen is done, so that's good. Close to washing. Alright, so let me go grab them and I will see you when I get back, okay? Hey guys, so it's the next evening. It's Friday evening. I'm coming from work, almost reach home. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show you everything. I just stopped the video because I had so much to do. I didn't reach the bedrooms, but I did finish the living room and the hallway entrance area. So I still have the bedrooms and the bathrooms to clean up, apart from, yeah, you know what I mean. I cooked, I did some curry shrimp and some mashed potatoes and stuff. So imagine I was not doing a whole bunch of cleaning. It was not deep cleaning. I still can't finish the whole house. That's crazy. But anyway, yeah, just wanted to make sure that I close up this video because I just realized I did not close up the video. And so I want to thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like and share this video, leave a comment, and until next time guys, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say what you feel for say.